can be created blogger ads using ChatGPT. Let's go now and see how you can create it. Write code HTML, CSS blogger advertisement. Coding is ready. Now you can add close button to it. HTML code add close button in GIF file. Go to your blogger website. Click on Layout. Click on Add a gadget. Select the HTML, JavaScript. Paste your HTML code. Replace your own website link. Replace the URL link for the display image. Save. Copy the CSS code. Click on Theme. Click on Customize. Click on Advanced. Select Add CSS. Pasted CSS code. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe our channel.